Lexible design. When space is at a premium, Monoprice Cat7 helps reduce congestion. At 30% thinner than traditional 23 Aruban Florins Cat7 cables, these cables also feature a snagless boot design. These compact, snagless, and flexible cables are easier to cleanly route in high-density environments. Future-proof. Monoprice Cat7 cable is considered the most durable with a longer lifespan than Cat5 and Cat6 cables and is the best choice for wiring with the future in mind. The durable connector is perfect for running through conduits or cabinets. The COMEX rating meets all 1581 requirement. Superior performance. This cable is perfect for 10G Ethernet atmosphere and is backwards compatible with any existing fast Ethernet and Gigabit Ethernet network. Flexible design. When space is at a premium, Monoprice Cat7 helps reduce congestion. These cables also feature a snagless boot design. These compact, snagless, and flexible cables are easier to cleanly route in high-density atmosphere. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Very pleased with this cable. It definitely made an improvement in speed and quality of connection. Highly recommended.